Gently music gonna be on there. Now that you did that.
Look, I'm gonna put the YouTube video or song that they put on every video. Let the bodies let the bodies hit the floor.
That is the thing.
That's not a gentle song.
Like, wait, Zelda there? Wait, Zelda there?
Zelda's going in a different auction.
Well, like, move it.
It's
oh,
you mentioned it. Nobody knows about Zelda. You guys have no idea. Black Ops. This game is too hard. Muhammad Ali.
Why did I roll?
We haven't even checked this one yet. I mean, I checked it, played it.
Didn't Sammy Sosa, like, break his arm trying to open the jar of pickles or something?
What?
It was something like that. Sammy Sosa, man. It was something stupid, and he got hurt so badly.
Yeah, this one I don't like about the old systems.
Oh yeah, he got scared. He got scared of, like, he was dreaming, and he was dreaming of, like, giant spiders or something. And then he jumped out of his bed and he, like, broke his arm. I don't think that's super. Oh. Oh. I guess it is.
Last one is this guy. See if it works. This is the newest Nintendo 64. It's a 2001, and it's the one that's not working.
Oh wow. It's like 2005.
It works. I just can't get it on freaking video.
It's like reproductions. Yeah, it's not working.
It probably works. So I'm throwing it in anyways, guys. So you get this.